Most effective biceps workout with dumbbells at home. 8 best biceps workouts you can do with dumbbells, in the gym or at home. Standing curls. This is a very simple exercise that hits your biceps very effectively. It's great for beginners, men and women, because everyone can do it with any amount of weight. The best part of this movement is that there are plenty of ways to do it. You can train both arms together. If you have only one dumbbell, you can do one arm at a time, slower for better concentration, etc. It is very good and efficient exercise to make your arms bigger. Preacher curls. The best way to perform this movement is using a barbell, but dumbbells are a good replacement. In this exercise, your elbow is resting on a bench, which means all the pressure is on your biceps. Because the biceps is isolated, this exercise is very effective, especially for the short head, the part of the muscle close to your elbow. To see a fast progress, focus on your form, and take slow movements. Incline curls. The effects of this movement are similar to the preacher curls, but you are working the upper bicep as much as the lower bicep. However, this exercise is safer and easier than preacher curls and lowers the risk of injury. If you are a beginner, you can use your shoulders to lift the dumbbell, but otherwise, all the weight goes to your arms, making this isolated exercise. This is one of the best arm exercises you should include in your training. Hammer curls. If you want to build bigger, stronger arms, you can't just work on your biceps. You need to give some attention to your forearms too. The hammer curls is an exercise similar to standing curls, but you change the angle of the movement. To place more strain on your forearms, you twist your wrists, which also strengthen your grip. All this will make your bicep wider. If well-rounded arm musculature is your goal, it's the exercise you want to include in your workout plan. Concentration curls. This is a great exercise that isolates your arm muscles. Your shoulders and back are not working, only bicep. If you are a beginner, it may not be easy to get right, but with practice, you will learn how to isolate only arm muscles. When you master the form, it will surprise you how well it builds the lower head of the bicep. Drag curls. This exercise is a little unusual, but also very effective. Using your arms, you drag the dumbbell up along the front of your chest, instead of curling the weight out. All the strain is placed on the upper head of your bicep, part of the bicep near your shoulder, but engages your forearms and shoulders, anterior deltoids. In the result, your arms are bigger and stronger. A movement worth adding to your arm day. Cheat curls. With a regular standing curl, to bring the dumbbell to your shoulder, you are using only the strength of your arms. With cheat curls to lift the weight, you need to use the motion of your hips and back. Swinging it a bit lets you handle a heavier load, and increase your dumbbell weight by 10 to 15 pounds. Check this exercise for serious muscle overload. Outside curls. Regular standing curls can be very effective, but hits your muscles only from one angle. If you turn your arms outward, perpendicular to your chest, you can hit your biceps from a different angle, taking the weight off your shoulders. This exercise helps you gain the strength for pull-ups and chin-ups by building the outside of your arm muscles. Try not to use too much weight though, you can pull a muscle or even hurt your shoulders. Thanks for watching. If you want to take action, change your life and build body of your dreams, watch the video in the description.